Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to install MAXQDA on your system. The product name MAXQDA begins with a nod to the German sociologist Max Weber and ends with the abbreviation QDA, which stands for the Qualitative Data Analysis. MAXQDA is widely considered as the best software for qualitative data analysis. It offers a wide range of tools to analyze and understand the qualitative data, including the ability to code and categorize the data, identify patterns and themes, and create visual representations of the data. Some special features of MaxQDA. It can work on mixed methods. It works with a wide range of data types, including quantitative variables. Statistical analysis. It includes a standalone statistics module called MaxQDA Stats. Visualizations. It creates attractive visualizations such as combined result tables, bar charts, and cluster analysis. Transcription. Automatically transcribes audio and video files. AI Assist. An AI-powered research assistant that offers automatic analysis and summaries. Now let's see how we can install this. So for this we will go on the Google, we'll write down MaxQDA, click on this first link. Now click on this start your free trial. Now fill up the form. Write your correct email. Click here, yes. And click here, I am not a robot. And click start your free trial. Make sure that you have to give your correct email. Start your free trial. Now you will get the mail on your registered email. Just click on it. So here you will get your personal trial code and download MaxQDA. So it will be an exe file. After running this exe file, it will ask for the code. Just paste it and you are ready to go for the trial version. So this is how you can install MaxQDA software on your system. For more videos on MaxQDA, please subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.